I look like a croissant. A cookie? I don't know what's more exciting, the cookie or the towel. I was supposed to take a picture of this. We got a big exciting one. I'm on my period, so I might cry. She hooked it up. She hooked it up. Why does this look like it's food? It looks like Uber Eats like deliver this to me. Literally like Christmas. You see me trying to do baby hairs, like they're like non-existent. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. These packages have been sitting at my desk for a week because I wanted to film this so badly. You guys also voted on my next YouTube video, so here it is. Most of these things I already knew that they were coming in because the brands did reach out to me. I see a few in here that I have no idea like where they're from. The crazy thing that has been happening, brands are getting my address and like my information from Sephora, and they're just like, here's your tracking number. I'm like, I've never even talked to you guys, but thank you. Me and my boyfriend are going to LA just for a little vacation. So yeah, I'm back in LA. And I just wanted to make sure that we come home to like a clean room. And it is just like, I can barely even like walk because like there's so many packages. And before I even start the video, I just want to say thank you so much for all of the love that I've been receiving from the last vlog and all my content lately. I seriously don't know how we got here, but we're here. And I'm just so excited to continue doing content for you guys and sharing my journey. I mean, if you follow me forever, you already know how hard it's been these past few years. I don't know what your religious beliefs are, but for me, God always tests the strongest. Never compare yourself to someone else's situation because you never know what they're going through. Always be grateful for even the littlest things, like even just to get one package or just a message from these brands just to be noticed is already a blessing. To receive this many, I never would have thought I'd be here. I also have Princess in the back. But yeah, let's get into this. Thank you guys so much for supporting me in everything I do. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's start opening these packages. Let's go from the top and work our way down. This already says it's from Versed, and Versed I've tried before. They reached out to me and they asked me to pick a bundle, and so I did. Literally like Christmas. They gave me one of these headbands before, like the pink one, but a nude one. Oh my god, I look like a croissant. If you know me in person, I'm always talking about food. Yeah, this is like a little headband, and then we got a few products. The retinol serum, oh my god, I love the retinol serum. It's so good. So, and they also sell Versed at Target. So if you're looking for like a more affordable like skincare, I'm not too sure what the price range is. Yeah, usually they put like a paper that says like the price range. I'm not too sure. We have the retinol serum. We have the advanced restoring serum. Kind of funny, but I love when brands like dumb it down, kind of like straight to the point. So it pretty much tells you like what it's used for, how to use it, where to use it, and like all this information on the back. It's very helpful. And also the ingredients, like they just really break it down, and I love that. No fancy words and all that, and like, you know, very straightforward. I love Versed. This is also the night cream, which I've been needing a night cream, so I'm excited. Thank you so much, Versed. I didn't know this was in here until I like actually start to throw away boxes, but this was in here. This is the body lotion with SPF 30. I'm so excited. I love any type of body stuff, so yeah, this was in there. Peach and Lily. I've heard so many great things from Peach and Lily. I've never tried anything from them. They are sold at Ulta. A skin veil mist. If you guys have tried any of these products that I'm mentioning in this video, please let me know, because I'm sure I haven't tried any of these things. And yeah, let me know what's good. So this I've heard so many great things about. The glass skin veil mist. I'm excited for that. A cleanser, gel moisturizer, a serum. Everything says glass skin, so assuming glass skin. I'm always down for some skincare, and so are my sisters. They're like skincare junkies. I really think it's because of my mom. And a toner. So literally this is like a whole skincare system. Thank you, Peach and Lily. It's from Josie Maran. Okay, Miss Josie, I love you. Your writing is beautiful. This is what we got. This is the cleansing oil surfacing serum, and then a moisturizer here. Oh my gosh. And then look at this. I'm so okay, out of all things, I'm so excited for these. These are, I believe it's reusable cotton pads, which I love. Hold on, my sister's calling. Me and my sisters used to share a room, and we like really like decorated everything and wanted to be like super sustainable. So we bought these because there's 3 girls. We were going through hella makeup wipes, and then we started to get these. So yeah, that's what kind of brought me back to this. But I love these. Oh my gosh. So all you have to do is like put your toner, put your makeup remover, and then put them in the laundry. Glycolic and lactic acid, I live for glycolic and lactic. If you haven't tried glycolic and lactic acids, it's literally gonna change your skin and the texture of your skin. A lot of texture underneath all this makeup. I'm excited to try this. Thank you, Josie. Josie. We love Josie on this channel. This one's crazy. So if you watched my last vlog, which if you haven't, watch it. And another one. So I have to give this away somehow to one of you guys. I don't know if my giveaway is going to be like on Instagram, probably on Instagram or TikTok, but this is the new Rare Beauty eyeshadow sticks, eyeliners, and then we got to pick out a eyebrow pencil color. I think they sent me the same color, but yeah, I might have to give this away. I love Rare Beauty and I love you, Selena. I hope we get to meet her in person. That'd be like insane. This is like, this blew my mind. Brand reached out and just said, okay, just give me all the shades that you want. I'm gonna give you one of everything. Huh? What? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, a lot of these packages are like a congratulations for making it to the Sephora Squad. And some of these were already like in the works before I even got into Sephora Squad. Let me show you guys a brand that said, I'm gonna give you one of everything and just let me know your shades. That's it. Just pick out the shades that you want. Kosis, you guys. You know I love their foundation. I love their foundation. I needed a lighter shade. I got the 270. I'm usually a 290. Oh, they give a sponge. I'm not gonna go through everything because it's like a lot. Kosis, I need to try out their sunscreen. So yeah, new goodies, and I'm gonna do like a full face of Kosis. Seriously, thank you Kosis so much. I love you guys. This one I already opened because I was too excited. This is from Sephora collection. Tell me why they gave us one of each brush in the collection. What? These brushes are beautiful. Like, these are high quality brushes. And my favorite brush, I already have. We talk about this brush like all the time, so I'm glad I have it again a second time. This is the Sephora collection number 71 for concealer. So good. Sephora, I love you. You guys have changed my life. A brand I've never heard of before, but they reached out and I was like, okay, go through the brand and see what they're about. Just want to make sure that we kind of align together. Like, I don't like just getting PR packages from like anybody, you know what I mean? I know it sounds so like, oh, she's too good for like, you know, other brands, but no, it's more so like I want to showcase products that I would actually use or potentially use and review, rather than just like, oh yeah, just give me products. It's just a waste. It's a waste of my time. It's a waste of their money and products. So yeah, just a little tip. So yeah, Neen. I thought Neen was super cool. Neen is founded by Stila's founder. I guess she created a brand just like how Bobbi Brown did, like with her kind of like newer, clean brand, sustainable, all that jazz. So that's pretty much what Neen is. So Stila's kind of like sister. Okay, let's look at the packaging though. Packaging is so cute. Like off the bat, it's so cute. Silicone compact, and you can recycle this and it's refillable. Oh my god, it's like literally jelly. This is so cute. So this is like a cream product. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I haven't heard anybody talk about this. Ooh, she is, ooh, that was buttery. Yeah, yes. I'm so excited. Why aren't people talking about this? Oh my gosh, even the eyeshadows. If you're clumsy like me and you drop stuff, this is perfect. This is niece, nephew, little cousin is getting into makeup. I don't know what I'm saying, but like, you know, if you drop it, it won't break. And you can clean this with soap and water if it gets dirty, which yeah, I love this. This is cute. Highlight, so cute, and it's like pretty tube. Okay, so cute. I'm excited. Thank you, Neen. Love. Fragile, which I'm afraid for because I don't know where this is from. Oh, okay, so this brand reached out to me. This is the New Co. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know if I've talked about this before. I'm pretty sure I did. My hair is very thin and since my roots are growing out, which I need to get my hair done, you could tell like it looks like I'm freaking balding, and I just wanted to start taking care of my hair. And so when they reached out, I was like, perfect, this is something I would use. This is what I'm talking about, PR from brands that I potentially would use. And this like was like very intriguing to me. Hair density, growth, and all this jazz. Like I'm literally gonna use this probably on my next wash because This is great. This is perfect. They also come out with skin stuff. Okay, so there's hair stuff and skin stuff. There we go. Anything that's orange is hair and then skin. Cute. Okay, thank you, the new. Ooh. Thank you, the new. You see me trying to do baby hairs, like they're like non-existent. Okay, this one, kind of excited for, because you guys know I'm a freaking perfume junkie. Okay, this is from Floral Street. I love the box. Can I just keep the box? Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. I love flowers. I love, love, love flowers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sweet almond blossom. Say less. I love almond. Oh my god. Anything almond scented, anything like cherry scented. Not medicinal cherry, but like cherry, like the artificial, like from the jar. Or like cherry chapstick. Oh, I love that. Almonds smell like cherries, okay? Period. Is sold at Sephora. If you didn't know, now you know. Ah, they're a British brand. I didn't know. Cruelty-free and vegan. Yeah. Why does this look like it's food? Okay. You guys know I love food. What it looks like Uber Eats, like deliver this to me. I'm spraying this like right now. Sweet almond. What are the notes? Fruity floral, duh. That's like my jam. Fruity floral gourmand. I've never heard all those three together. Mouth-watering natural pomelo and juicy passion fruit. Apple blossom, creamy vanilla, sandalwood, nutty tonka bean, and matcha tea. Where does the almond play in here? Yeah, all those elements I could smell. I'm not getting too much almond. I'm getting like those like fruity notes for sure. And then like the end of like a vanilla. Yeah, this is beautiful. Not what I expected, but beautiful. Okay. Floral Street. Okay, so as I was cleaning out the box, I didn't see this. This is the Discovery set. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, I love these, especially for like travel or if you just want to like smell them. Love these. This one I kind of opened already because I was like, what? Wait till I show you. Wait till I show you. Then you're gonna be like, yeah, I would have opened that too. Charlotte Tilbury. Her magic cream is all I've been using lately. I've been using it, yeah, since LA, and I've been really loving it. It's a very thick cream. It goes beautifully underneath makeup, like for skin prep. She hooked it up. She hooked it up. Magic night cream. Is this like thicker than the actual cream? She's expensive. You don't know Charlotte Tilbury's skincare is expensive, okay? Magic Eye Rescue. At a point, I was so obsessed with Charlotte Tilbury's like tutorials way before she was like popping on TikTok. I was obsessed with her tutorials, especially her Amal Clooney like makeup look. Oh, loved. The magic cream. It's in this. I'm like, is this something new? The Invisible UV Flawless Primer. SPF 50, so if you need a sunscreen and a primer in one, hey, Charlotte. Glow Toner, Magic Serum. Oh my gosh, she has used these on like Kim Kardashian and like in her she has used these in all her tutorials. I'm so excited for this. I need to like do a dedicated like video with all this. Thank you, Charlotte. Charlotte, we're besties. If you didn't know, Charlotte loves me and I love her. From Ren Skincare. When I used to work at Sephora Stonestown, we had Ren Skincare. We don't have it at my current store. But yeah, they reached out and I was like, yes, of course, why not? Sweatshirt, does it say, what does it say? Outdoor Voices. What? For rent. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's so cute. So it says friends. Dude, this, if you could feel it, it's like heavy. It's like a luxe. Thanks, Ren. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love this. Okay, cute. Hi, Raylene. Congratulations on making this year's Sephora Squad. We're excited to introduce you to Ren, the trusted brand for sensitive skin since 2000. Wow. Feel free to check out more of the products at Sephora Palace Street or Stonestown. What did I just say? Barrier Support Elixir. This is the iconic like toner tonic. I can't compare them because I haven't tried this yet, but I'm assuming it's like the Polish Choice toner. I just ran out of that. I love that stuff. I would repurchase it, but we gotta try out the stuff, you know. So I'm excited to try this and add this to my routine because I heard too many good things about that. And then Overnight Recovery Balm. Anything for overnight, nighttime stuff, I'm about. Ren and Ray. We met the founder and CEO of the brand, Crown Affair. I've been using like the gel. Actually, I don't know if you can tell, I have a scrunchie, it's like green. I love it. I love it so much. It's like, ever since she like demoed it at the Sephora Squad seminar, I've been using it. So Yes, I'm obsessed. I don't go out my way to try out hair stuff because I don't know anything, guys. So when you get educated like on products and everything, you're just like, okay, let me buy it, and then I can educate you guys, and it's like a domino effect, which I love learning. Okay, so I've seen like my fellow Sephora Squad members get this. It says RC. My nickname is RC because no one's gonna keep calling me Raylene Chanel except for my parents, okay? Not even my dad. My dad didn't call me Raylene Chanel. My mom, she called me Raylene Chanel if it was like serious or if I was like in trouble. Look it has my initials, the towel. I'm on my period, so I might cry. See pee in the background. Oh my god, thank you so much. I might start crying on this. Can't even like explain to you how thankful I am. The renewal mask, which I need a hair mask because my hair. Okay, Crown Affair has like the scent to them. It's kind of like herby, kind of. It smells good. Crown Affair is sold at Sephora. These clippies. Oh, these are actual clippies. Thank you. The oil, which she talked about, which I was like, okay. I don't have any hair oil. So yeah, she talked about this in the demo, and it was like she added it to her hair and it didn't weigh it down. So I'm gonna add like a few drops. Yeah, it smells good. Love their hair gel. It's actually like really nice. An actual gel that you could brush out, which kind of blew my mind because I've heard of like things like that before and it still gets flaky. That does not. And a leave-in conditioner. Oh my gosh, there's one hair product for the rest of my life. It's a leave-in conditioner, so we got a big zaddy one. Thank you, Crown Affair. So sweet. Love. This is like my new like hairband because I love color and all that. A cookie? I don't know what's more exciting, the cookie or the towel. I'm gonna eat it. Can I eat it? Is it a cookie? Washing up your cookie? Watch it be like a bar of soap or something. I'm gonna eat it. Why is it packed like this though? Oh my god, I'm eating it. Ow. Ouch. Ooh. Ah. I was supposed to take a picture of this. Oops. Let's go. Thank you. We're almost done. Last two. This is from Wander Beauty. Wander. Yes, this is a blush illuminizer, mascara, and gold eye mask. Ooh, I love this. And like a little pouch. I love like little bags. Thank you, Wander. Last one is from Kate Somerville. I love Kate Somerville. They are so sweet. Yes, Haley at Kate Somerville. I love you, girl. Hey, water cream. Any type of moisturizer, I will like. I love. And a serum. Yes. Thank you, Kate Somerville. Gosh, that is it, you guys. That is it for my PR unboxing. There's many more that is coming in that I'm just like, okay, hold on. I love you guys so very much, and thank you for always supporting me. Again, let me know if you have tried any of these products or if there's specific ones you want me to review. I know I'm going to be like doing a lot of videos using all these new products on like my TikTok and my Instagram, different types of content on each platform. That way it doesn't get so boring. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. My boyfriend just asked me if I want a pizza. Is that even a question?